Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Mute
Good
yourself,
afternoon, sir.
friends. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you, and welcome, Susan Miss. And say to Susan Miss also good afternoon. Susan Miss is joined.
Good afternoon, Manoj, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss. Nice. Welcome.
And students here in first period only, I warn you and give you, means I inform you the some rules how to join in a Michael period or in any other teacher's period. First, you type your roll number and your section name and your name. But you are not following the rules, and you always switch on your videos in any period, not only in my period, in any period. Switch on your
In every period, put your names. Somebody has written that 11 tab. Please remove it and put your name of the child.
Here. You rename yourself, but first you type your roll number, then section, and then your name.
Section.
Then if you not follow the rules and regulation, it is lost for you. We will consider absent you or otherwise there. And you
The roll number last
videos. You switch on your videos, all students. I request you, you switch on your videos. Yes, Gauri Sharma, Pratik, Lavekar. Very good. Ritesh, Mokshada. Switch on your videos. Divya Eravar, Mokshada Kotalwar. Switch on your videos, bata. Gangotri. Switch on your videos. Good. Pranav, Gaurav Vyas, Sakshit. Pranav.
Anushka.
Yes, switch on your videos fast. You follow the rules and regulation button.
Divya Yeravar, switch on your video.
Yes, remaining student also, you switch on your videos and inform to others
Pranav
students
Katod.
to join the classes fast.
Pranav Katod, switch on your video.
Nachiket, you don't have web camera, but how you are joining your classes through your mobile or laptop? PC. Okay. Remaining students, what about you? You are joining with your mobile. So web camera is there. Now today we will study the instant messaging. Yes, in previous session, any students, any doubt, you ask me your doubts. Yesterday I posted the web application PDF because many students not purchase the hard copy textbook. Okay, because of lockdown. So I posted the one lesson there, web application and securities, and notes also yesterday that you have to copy down in your classwork in IT's book. Okay. Now today we will study the third session, networking. Networking is over. Today we will study the instant messaging application. Okay. Now I am sharing my screen. You are ready? And
sir, last year.
Yes, but. And at the end of the session, I will take you at the Menti quiz. It's based on my teaching, today's teaching. So you pay attention here. Now I am sharing my screen. Yes, any student doubts regarding this networking lesson? Yes. Anyone have doubts regarding this? Here, scribbling. I can see your names also. I am disabling my annotation option in that. See, I reduce your mark if you are doing as like mischievous activities. Okay.
Who is scribbling this?
Okay, now you don't use this annotation option. Now I am disabling this annotation option. Now the third session is the instant messaging. Yes, what is instant messaging? Do you know about the instant messaging? Yes, we all are using the instant messaging application. Yes, which one we are using the instant messaging? Daily you are using the WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. These all are the instant messaging applications. Okay. Now what is instant messaging? You tell me. Yes. What is the use of your WhatsApp, Telegram, or this one? Any other Reddit Bowl, then Gtalk, Google Talk. These all are the instant messaging applications. Okay. Now what is instant messaging? IM stands for instant messaging, and it is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. Means with the help of IM application, you can send the text-based messages. Means instant messaging technology is a type of online chat. What is this? It is a online chat. Okay. That offers real-time transmission over the internet. Means the sender and receiver person both should be there online. Then only you can send and receiver person can receive the messages. That's why IM is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages. Means it is a type of technology in real time. You can send and receive the text messages, audio messages, video messages, or graphics over the internet. It's called the instant messaging. Do you know the history of instant messaging? How to rise of the instant messaging market? Yes, how to rise the instant messaging? Who developed the first instant messaging application? Do you know this history? Yes, any students who developed the first instant messaging application developed by Israeli company, Seer, when in 1996. In 1996, Israeli company Mirabils, Mirabilis, Mirabils, launched ICQ. Which application? ICQ. Means ICQ, in short for ISWEK, a text-based messenger that was the first to really reach a widespread market of online user. And that time ICQ allowed for multi-users, means more than one person or more than one user, they can chat with them and they can share the files, means file transfer, video transfer, audio calling. These all features are available in ICQ. As like instant messaging market rises by, and that time this ICQ was very popular and famous through the worldwide by seeing them. Then Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, Redditbowl.com, Meebo, these instant messaging came in market. But now Google Talk is very famous. Skype is also very famous. WhatsApp is also very popular. Then Telegram. Telegram is also instant messaging application. You understood what is meant by instant messaging? Instant messaging is a type of communication or transmission over the internet in real time. With the help of instant messaging, you can send the text-based messages. You can send the audio file. You can send the video file also. You can call them, video calling, audio calling. These all features are available in instant messaging application. Okay. And it is not like a email. In email, what will happen? If person should be there, receiver person should be offline, then also you can send the messages in email. But in IM means instant messaging happens in real time. Means it is used only in the real time. Means the both person should be there online. Participant should be there online. Then only you can use the instant messaging application. Okay. But in email, if receptionist person should be offline, then also you can send the messages. Now, what are the benefits of instant messaging application? Benefits. Now benefits mean for what purpose we are using the instant messaging application. See here, if you want to send any message to your relatives, friends, or any others, or if you want to give birthday celebration invitation, marriage invitation to your relatives or any friend, then you can send through postcard, speed post, or you can use the telegram also or courier also, but it takes more than 1 day. Okay, so if you use instant messaging application, you can save your time. That's why the first benefit of instant messaging application is saving time. Now second one is the speed. Now how is speed? Instant messaging applications, yes, speed is very fast, means within a fraction of second you can send your text messages, your videos, your audios, or your graphics. Okay, so this is the second benefit of instant. And third benefit of instant messaging application is outstanding customer services. Suppose you are a owner of shop or any company, you can give messages to your customer immediately. If any discount offer or any message you can give to your customer. So outstanding customer services. This is also benefit of instant messaging application. And fourth one, and is very important, control interoperability. Control interoperability means, see here, how to send the message if both persons should be there online. Means you need internet there, and receiver person also need internet. And how internet is connected? Internet is connected of LAN, WAN, and MAN. So instant messaging application controls these all things in LAN, WAN, MAN, and internet also. This is known as control interoperability. These all are the benefits of instant messaging application. Understand? Yes, any doubts? What is instant messaging application? What is meant by instant messaging? Who developed the instant messaging? And what are the benefits? Now let us see here some features of instant messaging. Now which feature? Now if you want to send the text messages to one or more person, then you can send the text messages. Okay. Now here are the key features. Now the first key feature is text messages can be sent to one or more person. It is like similar to SMS, Simple Mail Services. Its full form is Simple Mail Services. Now second one is the audio calling and conferencing. See here, audio calling through WhatsApp, IMO, or Google Talk, Skype. You can call to any person, your friends, your relatives, okay, and talk with each other. And conferencing. What is conferencing? Audio conferencing means audio calling and conferencing, video calling and conferencing. What is the difference between video calling and video conferencing? Yes, if you use video call, then it should be between the two person. Person to person can see with each other and can talk with each other in video calling. But in video conferencing means you can connect to a different location people and you can see with each other, you can talk with each other, and you can hear the sound also. Our Prime Minister, our CM also use always the video conferencing now in the COVID period. Okay, how they are contact with the means PM contact with the any CM by using the video conferencing only. Means all are in the different location, but they can see with each other, they can talk with each other, and they can hear the sound. What you require if you want to use the video call, audio call, video conferencing, or audio conferencing? Yes, suppose example, if you want to talk with your relatives or any other friend by using video conferencing or video calling, then what you require? Yes, first you require the microphone. Why? Because with the help of microphone only you can insert your voice. If microphone is not there, then your voice will not be reached to a destination place. Then if you want to hear the sound, then you need their speakers or headset. Speakers or headset. What is the use of speaker? It produces the sound. And the main thing, you require the web camera if you want to see with each other. Without web camera, you can't see with each other. What is the use of web camera? Live broadcasting. Okay. And you need internet as well as mobile or any laptop or computer system. These things you require if you want to call video call or video conferencing, audio call or audio conferencing. The next feature is file transfer. See, you are using the WhatsApp, Telegram and Instagram. 100% students are using this all things. If you want to send the PDF file, audio file, video file, graphics, then you can send there. Yes, that is the feature of this instant messaging application, means file transfer. We can send any type of files. Then message history. What is message history? See here, what your chat between your group or between your two person. If you want to store or save for future use, that also we can save. That is the message history. And then next feature is the security. Your application, means this application, instant messaging application, is secured or not? Yes, it is very secure. Okay, because we are providing the password or logs. That's why it is very secure. Now, drag and drop sharing feature is also there. Drag and drop means, drag means like a cut paste. See here, drag means by pressing the left mouse of button, move file from one place to destination place or other place. That is known as drag. And drop means release the left mouse of button. That is known as drop. Okay, that facilities is also available in instant messaging application. And searching. What search? Searching filters. Filters means, suppose you are created 100 students group and you want to check the particular student messages only, then by searching option you can search the messages. That is known as searching filters. And unlimited chatting. Unlimited chatting. There is no restrictions for your chatting. Okay, जब तक इंटरनेट खत्म नहीं होता. Okay. So unlimited chatting is also feature of instant messaging application, and privacy also. Okay, understood this feature. Now the next topic is instant messaging account. Now instant messaging account means what? See here, if you want to use the instant messaging application like Google Talk, Rediboll, Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Meebo, there are many are there. Skype. Okay, IMO. These all are the instant messaging application. You need an authentic account there. Without authentic account, you can't use the instant messaging application. And participant messaging to each other need to be signed into the same instant messaging application or software. Means what? See here. Suppose I am using WhatsApp and you are using the Telegram. तो आपको मैसेज मिलेगा क्या? मेरा नहीं मिलेगा. So both persons should be used there the same application. If you want to do chat between with them, then you have to use the same instant messaging application. Then only you can share the messages and you can see the messages. Okay, I am using WhatsApp, then you have to also use the WhatsApp. Suppose you are use the Telegram, then I have to also use the Telegram. मीन दोनों का भी अकाउंट क्या चाहिए? एक ही इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग एप्लीकेशन में चाहिए. अगर डिफरेंट रहा तो मैसेज मिलेगा क्या? नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, एंड टू यूज इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, अ यूजर मस्ट हैव अ वैलिड इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग अकाउंट. सपोज यू आर यूज अ गूगल टॉक. अगर आप गूगल टॉक यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपका अकाउंट किस में चाहिए? गूगल टॉक में ही चाहिए. इफ यू आर यूजिंग Rediboll, then your account you need to register in Rediboll only. If you are using Skype, then you need to register in Skype account only. Okay, and instant messaging softwares means applications or accounts are available in different formats. See here, instant messaging applications available in different format. Different format means which? Some instant messaging application like Yahoo Messenger, Windows Live Messenger, use the email address for managing accounts and softwares. Okay, you understood this one? आया क्या समझ में? Yes. Some instant messaging use as a username your email address. Suppose now I am using the Zoom and I am a host. तो मेरे को as a username क्या use करना पड़ेगा? Email account. But some instant messaging application use the standard names, means you can use any name. Instead of email account, you can use the any name. Standard name means जो भी आपको easy और अच्छा लगता है वो name use कर सकते हैं. So which application use there? Which instant messaging application use? Only in Skype use as a standard name, because in Skype when you are registered there they will ask email ID, but when you are login or signing to Skype, that time you have to use as a username name only, any name. But if you are using Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger or any other application, that time you have to compulsory, mandatory provide the email account. Then only you can connect to your instant messaging application. Understand? आया क्या समझ में? Yes, instant messaging account. If you want to maintain your instant messaging account or software, you need to authentic email. Some are using the email address as a username and some are use the standard names like Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger. They use the email address, and here the both participating message to each other need to sign in the same instant messaging application, and you need a valid instant messaging account. Understood? Now see here, if you are using the many types of instant messaging services, here two types of instant messaging services, application based and web based. Now what is application based? Application based means, see here, first exe file you have to download on your system, and that file you have to install. That is known as application based. Like your WhatsApp, Telegram, these all are the application based. आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? प्ले स्टोर से पहले डाउनलोड करके उसको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है. That is known as application based. Okay, application based and web based. Application based instant messaging software is download and install. Okay, understand? आया क्या समझ में? Application based like Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Rediff, these all are the application based softwares. Now what is web based? Web based means no need to download the files and no need to install on your system, directly through web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, then any browser जो भी आप browser use कर रहे, Netshark, Safari, Netscape Navigator, directly through that browser when you are connecting to instant messaging application, that is known as web-based instant messaging software. Directly to web browser you can access to the participants. Okay, तो कौन से Mibo, Yahoo Messenger for the web, Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk, ये दोनों भी फॉर्मेट में एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड एज वेल एज वेब बेस्ड. ओके, Yahoo Messenger for the web, this is only accessed through the web browser, and if you use Yahoo Messenger, this is the application based. MSN Web Messenger, your IMO is also available in both format, application based as well as web based. No need to install or download your files, instant messaging application files in your system, that is known as web based. And application based means first you have to download and install in your mobile or system. Now in that Google Talk, what is Google Talk? Now the popular and very famous and most of the people use the Google Talk only. कौन सा use करते हैं? Google Talk. सबसे ज्यादा और famous use होने वाला Google Talk. Google Talk is an instant messaging service that provides both text and voice communication. With the help of Google Talk, you can send the text messages and you can use the voice communication also and developed by Google Inc. means Google Incorporation. And if you want to use the Google Talk, see here, then you need to register your email account in Gmail first, because Google Talk किसका है? Google Incorporation का. तो उसके लिए आपको किस में रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा? You need to be registered for Gmail account, and whatever your updates regarding this Google Talk, you can check on your Gmail box only. जो Gmail का आपका email box है, उसमें Google Talk से जो भी updated है, all updated information you can check in your Gmail account only, Gmail mailbox. And with the help of Google Talk, you can make the video call and audio call also. And Google Talk is a free and is available application based as well as web based. Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, ये दोनों भी format में application based as well as web based. Understand? Yes, any doubt up to here? Yes. Web based कौन से हैं? Meebo, Yahoo Messenger for the web, MSN Web Messenger, IMO, Cool, Windows Live Web Messenger, eBuddy Web Messenger. These all are the web-based instant messaging software. Okay, and application-based Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype. Okay, then Windows Live Messenger, Redibowl, then iChat, Pidgin, Jive, Jive. These all are the, then Join.me, Join.me, then Trillion. These all are the your WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. These all are the application based. You understood the difference between application based and web based? Yes. Now what is Google Talk? Google Talk is an instant messaging service that provides both text and voice communication. You can make the video call, audio call also, and it is a free available. And who developed by Google Talk? Google Inc. And whatever updates are available regarding this Google Talk, you can check in your Gmail mailbox. Okay, but you need the valid, authentic account. How to use the Google Talk? See here. First, you install your file. Okay, and then you have to sign in here. Now you can see here the green dot. What it indicates, this green dot? Green dot means what? Green dot means the participant is online. If red dot means offline. See here, in WhatsApp also, how to check if I send any messages, you are check or not? Two blue color tick marks are there, means you are checked there. Some indications are there. If two white, don't talk, voice is coming your. Yes, understood this lesson, instant messaging. Any doubt? Any student? Green dot indicates online. Red means offline. Yes, any doubts?
Sir, who developed IM?
IM. Here, actually the Google, nowadays many companies are developed, but Israeli company developed the first time Mirabils and launched ICQ first time in 1996. First instant messaging application developed by Israeli company Mirabils, and that was name was given ICQ, and it's short for ICQ, ISEEK, CQ. So by
in which year?
1996. By seeing this popularity, then Redibowl, Yahoo Messenger, MSN Messenger developed afterwards. Yes. Now you are ready for Menti quiz, students? Now,
yes, sir.
Today's topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Quiz. How to give the quiz, you know very well. Without quit or without exiting Zoom, you switch your mobile, means application. Open the Google browser and type there www.menti.com. Only 10 minutes are left, and tomorrow I will take new session. Okay. and today I am posting the notes also this. Okay, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
So I am starting. Here,
Sir, code.
type in your Google browser www.menti.com.
Sir, code,
Okay.
code.
Sir, what is the
Wait,
code?
I am not started. Susan, means you also check. Now I am taking the online quiz. Now my referral code is 49660810. Otherwise, you switch your Zoom screen and check the referral code 49660810. Good. Join fast, students. Time is very less.
Sir, please repeat.
Here, if any student is facing problem, you ask me your doubts. First, you open your Google browser. In that, you type www.menti.com. In that, you click on first link. Then is asking for the referral code. Now you type my referral code is 49660810. Then type your own name because I'm maintaining here the records as for internal assessment. Okay, join fast button. Some students are facing problems, I think. Join fast. Girls, any doubts, girls?
Code.
Here,
sir.
type www.menti.com. Okay. Then use the first link there only. Is asking for code. Type my code 49660810. So time is less. Can I start quiz?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You are
Sir,
ready?
serial number.
Yes, sir.
Some are joining now also.
Sir, repeat
the code. The time is less. See here. Now ready for quiz. First question is, you need a dash account
number.
to use Google Talk. Yes, I am giving you 15 seconds for attempting these questions answers. Now 8 seconds,
Sir, number.
6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Okay. Now check your answer. Very good. Most of the students give the correct answer. You need a valid account in Gmail because Gmail, Google Talk, both are Google corporations. Here, if you registered in Gmail, then in Google Talk, ask your email ID. तो कौन सा email ID देना पड़ेगा? Gmail का ही देना पड़ेगा. If you give ready Hotmail or any other, then it will not be accepted. Now we check the leaderboard. Who is given the fastest answer? Top 10 student name.
Sir, can you share your screen?
My screen is shared na bata here.
No, sir, it is not.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's not visible.
Sir.
No, that time I wait. Now check there. Now you can
Yes.
see.
Yes,
now
sir.
I shared my screen. Now you check there.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Top 10 student name. You take a screenshot. Samar, Krishna, Rutuja, Atharva, Nachiket, Gangotri, Krish, Rushali, Yash Pandit, Tushar Rakewan. Congratulations, bata. So you are ready for next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Switch your screen and attempt the second question. Wait 1 minute. Now is asked for the directly third question. Okay. See here. When your friends are online, Google Talk will display a dash dot. See here, you have only 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now check your Okay. Green dot. Okay, what it indicates? Green dot means you are online, red means you are offline. Now you check the leaderboard. See here, who has given the fastest answer? Top 10 student name you can see. Samar, Gangotri, Atharva, Krish, Samar, Nachiket, Avinash, Saili. Okay, Yash Pandit, Karan, Pranali, Varda Bhargav. Okay, beta. Now second question is here, remain here. So you attempt the second question now. Yes. Second छूट गया था, second attempt करो अभी. Skype is an dash instant messaging software. Web-based, application-based or ordinary-based. Only 15 seconds in your hand. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now check your answers. Application based, here, not web based. Web based means directly through web browser when you connect to instant messaging. That is known as web based. For WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, first you have to download and install in your system. That is known as application based. Now check the 10 students' names in our school leaderboard. Good. Rutuja, Gangotri, Krishna, Saili, Atharva, Nachiket, Prathamesh, Sada, Divya, Tanmay Kulkarni, Karan, Bhanushali. Good. Now fourth question. Now you give the fourth question. Yes, ready? Now time is less, I think 2 minutes, 3 minutes are left. Audio and dash conferencing can be done by using Google account. Audio and dash conferencing. Yes. Everyone here, yeah, before time. Very good. Video. Audio and video conferencing can be done by using the Google account. Very good. Now check your names in school leaderboard. Remaining student, you also don't worry. Your names will be recorded here. Okay, now Gangotri, Atharva, Saili, Nachiket, Karan, Divya, Prathamesh, Ananya, Sumit, and Pranali. Okay, top 10 students. Now the last question is, ready? Your fifth question and today is the last question. Yes, ready? Which instant messaging application use standard name for managing account and software? Now 1.5 minutes is remain only, I think. Now time's up. See here, Skype. See here, now only I told you Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, they need the email as a username. Only for Skype, use you as a username, means standard name. Instead of email, you can use as a standard name. कौन सा भी name use कर सकते हैं. Only in Skype. Check your leaderboard because less than 1 minute is left. And today's winner also we can check here. Congratulations. Yeah. Gangotri. Now congratulations Gangotri. Now today's winner is Gangotri. Yes.
Hats off to you.
Clap all of you. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Congratulations Gangotri. Very good, Bata. And don't worry, remaining student also.
Remaining also, please try to do that.
And maintaining here. Okay. So next time again, I want here different student name. Okay. So tomorrow I am taking your the